I built this interactive holiday gift budget in Excel and I will show you how. This video is packed with Microsoft Excel tips and tricks that I used to make this useful sheet, making sure I didn't spend on unnecessary gifts for my grandmother. I know my Christmas tree is really disgusting. The first part is a very basic tip, but it's how to insert an image. First click on insert, then pictures, then you can choose from stock images. In this very specific case, we're gonna put a Christmas gift to make sure our template looks really great. Gonna make it a little bit smaller, and here we go. Next, the part 2 is to convert your data to a table. I will select my data, and then in insert I click on table and make sure my table has headers and check it. Part 3 is to make a drop down list for your loved ones. Select your data, then go into data validation, and then you're gonna allow a list. When it comes to data selection, select your names, and here you go, you have a drop down list for your loved ones. Part 4 is to make sure you don't overspend using the budget column. So we have a budget to the right here in our table, and we're gonna do a SUMIF based on our names, and then we're gonna do a comma. So for the criteria, we're gonna select the U in column B, and then for the sum range, we are actually gonna take the budget in column J, and then we're gonna divide by COUNTIF, which means if you have multiple gifts for the same person, we want the budget to be split evenly between all those gifts. By example, if for my dad I have a 200 budget and then I will just add another gift for my dad, the budget for each line now become $166. Anyway, you get it. It takes the total budget and it divides it by the number of gifts that you have for this person to make sure you don't overspend on your budget. Let's say I change the budget to $500. As you can see in column D, the budget changes automatically. How good is that? Part 5, adjusting spent and delta using the conditional formatting. We want to put a little color on this very boring template here, so we're just gonna do a simple equal budget minus spent to see the delta. Then we're gonna go into home, into highlight cell, and whenever the cell is higher than 0, we're gonna put it in green, and when it's lower than 0, I actually want this cell to be in red. With just a glimpse, you'll be able to see if you overspent, being a cell in red, or if you spent less than budget, which means a cell in green. The part 6 is to keep track of your tasks using checkboxes. In the Insert tab, you click on checkbox, and then you can just check whenever you bought the gift. We're going to select all of them, and we're gonna apply conditional formatting, and then we're gonna write true, and when it's true, I actually want the custom format. I click onto color here and I want it green. So you get it. Once we check the checkbox, we are going to have a green checkbox, and we do the same thing for false, except we put it in red. As you can see, this is a very interactive dashboard or template, and it works really well. And we're gonna do the total at the top, the part 7. So we're gonna do the sum of the budget, which is fed from the table. And then for the spent, we're gonna do the sum with the table below. And then the remaining is a simple equal budget minus spent. Once again, super easy. For the final result, it is the interactive result. As you can see, as I change the budget to the left, we see that the budget is distributed evenly between all my people that I want to make a gift. Finding gift ideas for Christmas is very hard, so I made this list of Christmas ideas for office workers.